set sail on a savory journey to the enchanting Mediterranean coast in our video. Flavors of the Mediterranean, a culinary odyssey through Spanish tapas. Join us as we explore the sun-kissed landscapes, bustling markets, and the irresistible allure of Spain's iconic small plates, tapas. Our adventure begins in the lively streets of Barcelona, where the aroma of garlic, olive oil, and sizzling ingredients fills the air. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Mediterranean cuisine as we delve into the artistry of crafting these delectable, shareable dishes. As we uncover the culinary magic behind Spanish tapas, you'll witness the expert hands of local chefs at work. Fresh ingredients are transformed into mouth-watering dishes like patatas bravas, gambas al ajillo, and tortilla española. It's a symphony of bold flavors and textures that embodies the essence of Spanish gastronomy. But tapas are more than just appetizers. They are a reflection of Spain's vibrant culture and culinary heritage. We'll take you on a sensory journey, from the seaside towns of Andalusia where seafood tapas reign supreme to the mountainous regions of Basque Country where pinchos are a celebrated tradition. Discover the significance of tapas in Spanish culture, where they're not just a meal but a social ritual, a celebration of life and togetherness. It's food that brings people closer, fostering a sense of camaraderie, festivity, and shared joy. Flavors of the Mediterranean is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and the lively spirit of Spain. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary odyssey through Spanish tapas, and experience the artistry and passion that have made this cuisine a worldwide sensation. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the sun-drenched streets and picturesque shores of Spain by the captivating stories and mouth-watering flavors that await you in Flavors of the Mediterranean, a culinary odyssey through Spanish tapas.